Okay, so hello, welcome to another walking video. So today I am going to discuss about Sonam Wangchuk. It's a very kind of a controversial and most discussed issue right now, and I couldn't stop myself putting my opinion. I am neither opposing this movement or neither supporting it. I am in between, just like a hanging fruit. Okay, so I have very mixed opinion about it. I think their first demand, what I have read, that resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, Education Minister. Yes, agree. He should resign. But I know he will not resign if he had some kind of morality in him, ethics in him. He would have resigned back then. But he will not. He's a shameless politician. Absolute. With thick skin. Okay, with thick skin. Very, very thick skin. So he will not going to resign. Okay. So I think their demand is fair. Yes, he should resign. He's incapable of uh, holding education ministry. Their demands is very valid, and I support them for that. And for example, if BJP government or many BJP supporters will say that Sonam Wangchuk, Abhijit Dipike, Cockroach Janata Party is an anti-national people, they are trying to create um, hoax in this country, right? अराजकता फैलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Okay, fine, they are doing it. I agree with you. What you are doing to prevent it? For example, me, I was a BJP supporter. I have been the voter for them. Why are you silent on every freaking issue? Why are you silent and go on in the ignore mode every time? This cannot be done every time. You have to answer somehow. You cannot be reacting like that. Okay, just shut up and people will forget for after many days. Yes, people forget. Like in India, people have that kind of habit to forget. I agree. But that doesn't mean that you will stop answering the questions. Recently, 5 4 issues in this year only. It has been the seventh month, it is July, right? UGC issue, Ram Mandir Chanda Chori issue, right? Ethanol policy issue. Fourth, paper leak issue, employment issue, and rest all other issue. These are the main things which I've highlighted. Okay, they are in the ignore mode all the time. Like what you were doing when the people lake was happening, you couldn't even thrown Dharmendra Pradhan out. Okay, Ram Mandir Chanda Chori issue, the SIT was formed and all that. Where are the culprits? Main culprits. I'm talking about the main culprits from the top, not driver or driver son-in-law, driver relatives. No, caretaker. They are going jail, na? Why is Anil Mishra not going to jail? Why is Chambat Rai not going to jail? They are not conspirators or they are not involved in the Chanda Chori issue. They are, of course. Everybody knew. But it's just like you don't want to put that kind of name. And it's India, of course. Main people will not go. Drivers will go. Small people will go. Caretakers will go to jail, right? Ethanol issue. Nitin Gadkari has gone mad, completely mad. Okay, he has like taken the swear of the god that he will destroy every vehicle. Okay, um what to say, like I am very tired. Like right now, I'm not very tired. Like everyone who was supporting, like I have known people who was very hardcore supporters of the BJP. They are just done and dusted with them. Like no, we're not going to vote. Like so, like I ask them, like whom will you vote if not BJP? Any other party, all will nota. Will prefer nota. We are not going to vote for these same freaking losers. This is their opinion. So you cannot deny this, that this is very inorganic. This is organic. The people of the country are losing their faith on you. And maybe I don't know it will get transcribed into votes or not, I don't know. But especially you can answer. You go on the silent mode every time. This cannot be done. He is on the fast from 19 18 days, and especially when he is like asking that Dharmendra Pradhan should resign. He should resign, yaar. What the hell is Dharmendra Pradhan? He's an education minister, that's it. Why is not resigning? He is at fault. He couldn't run the ministry well. Resign him, throw him out of the government. But no, you will not. You are giving people chance to put allegations on you, to put fingers on you. That's your problem. And the people will ask question because these are the real issues that will affect people. Of course. These are the core issues which will affect. So I don't understand what they are up to, what in their mind. Like for example, myself, I don't know whether I'm going to vote for them in the next election or not. I am in a very uncertainty. I don't know, I'm not very sure about it. Okay. So I don't know. And like me, there are many people. Many people. Okay. So I think this movement will hurt BJP. I think so. Maybe I can be wrong, can be totally wrong, but I think like coaching industry is coming. Many famous teachers are coming in support of him. Like I have studied from them. Like there is a PW teacher, Manish Raj sir. He teaches physics, and he said that he supports a hunger strike of Sonam Wangchuk. So he is not an anti-national. Okay, you cannot claim that he is also anti-national. Okay, so this is now how things go. Okay, many coachings are coming, sirs are coming, ma'am are coming. Like for example, every teacher is coming, right? And many celebrities are also like questioning. So it can be the 2040 movement, just like BJP, Anna Hazare movement, like BJP when came to the power. So it can hurt BJP, I think so. But it's in their mind that, oh, it's nothing. So you be in your own shell, don't come out of it. You cannot see the larger picture. But people are done and dusted. People are really tired, especially after this ignore mode politics. This is not done. This is not accepted from the government who claims that they are biggest democracies of the world, democrats of the world. Okay, mother of democracy and all that kind of stuff. It is not like that. When you know that it will hurt your party, why you cannot have a dialogue at least once? Yeah, come on. डायलॉग में क्या हो गया? सब एंटी नेशनल ही हैं, ऐसा तो नहीं होता. एटलीस्ट आप बाहर निकाल सकते हो जिसकी वजह से सब चीज़ें हो रही हैं धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को, बट नहीं निकालोगे आप. बिकॉज यू नो, maybe he knew some kind of secrets of your government, he will expose you. I don't know, like conspiracy theories, I don't know. But still, these kind of issues are really affecting the people and affecting millions, billions. They have to introspect and they have to do what they have to do. Who am I or you to tell them they are the biggest, big people? So we don't know. We just can raise our voice and support few of the people who really want some kind of changes in the system, especially after all these kind of works. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.